Bangalore, Bangaluru's leading IVF chain, Archish Fertility IVF, inaugurated of Electronic City Centre in association with Neo Health Clinics. Infertility is becoming a major health crisis in India due to many reasons like erratic lifestyle, obesity, delayed parenthood, high intake of junk food, consumption of alcohol, smoking, etc. Though tremendous fertility treatment options are available that can help fertility challenged couples have their biological child, not many are aware of this. Therefore, spreading positivity and hope is the need of the hour. Archish Fertility IVF, Bangalore is one of the reputed fertility clinics offering customized fertility treatments that are evidence-based and backed by technology. Several couples have overcome infertility and achieved parenthood with the assistance of Archish Fertility IVF, Bangalore. The clinic is also instrumental in providing a positive support system for treating male infertility in Bangalore through their newly launched Andrology Wing, Andro 360.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Myself Hardik. I am a CEO of Neo Health Clinics and Care Diagnostics. So ours is a multi-speciality clinic in Electronic City. We are here from past 6 years. So now recently we have tied up with one of the growing IVF chain in Bangalore City, which is Archish IVF. So after going through their profile and the facilities, we thought this is the right choice for our clinic, and it's a need of Electronic City area as well, because a lot of young population in this area, and it's very difficult these days. We see a lot of difficulties in conceiving, and we see a lot of new age couple over here. So coming to the Archish IVF, they have a beautiful team of the doctors, staffs and technical teams. In particular, our center, they are going to invest on ultrasound scans, IUI, the complete lab and IVF facilities. So it's definitely a win-win situation, and I'm hoping for the best. This will do well. Thank you so much.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಪಶ್ರೀ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಚಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಚಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ನಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಖೆಯನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸೋ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. IUI, IVF, ICSI, ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಬಯೋಪ್ಸಿ, ಎರಾ, ಈ ಥರ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಗಳಾದ ಲೇಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್, PGT ಈ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯನೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರೋ ಕಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Rishina. I'm the co-founder and scientific director at Archish, and it gives me immense joy to announce this association with Neo Clinics today. With Neo Clinics, we are now present in your neighborhood of Electronic City. This enables us to provide our services, which is fertility treatment right from the basic to most advanced treatments available anywhere across the world. We boast of a very good success rate of 78% and upwards. We offer end-to-end solution from basic fertility tests right to advanced fertility tests. Neo is helping us reach out to more and more couples in this regard, because they are helping us with the state-of-the-art facilities, scanning facilities, and our consultant Dr. Impashri will be here as part of Archish at the Neo Clinics, to cater to fertility and gynec queries. Archish Fertility now has been around in Bangalore for around 4 years, and we bring state-of-the-art facilities and expert-led technologies from across the world right here in Bangalore. So we look forward to a lot of support from this suburb of Electronic City. Apart from just fertility treatments, Archish also takes a lot of pride in giving back to the society, and that's why we have our research and training wing, where we are constantly updating our services, constantly evolving our technologies, and also giving back to our peers. So by that, any student who has an aspiration to be an embryologist or a doctor is most welcome to approach Archish's training and research wing, because that is something where we believe that knowledge should be shared. We should not hide knowledge, and we should empower our peers. Thank you.
Which place is there?
Fertility and IVF, apart from Electronic City, is located at Old Airport Road, Whitefield, Sahakar Nagar and HSR. So we pretty much cover the whole of Bangalore. Also, when students who enter the doors of Archish for training or research, one of the USPs is that they are trained across our centers, across different doctors, across different SOPs. So they are just not exposed to one kind of protocol, but they get more exposure for their learning. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Rolling, sir.
Hello Bangalore, hello Electronic City. Thank you for welcoming us in Electronic City with very wide arms, and thank you to Dr. Puneet and team. Puneet sir has been very kind enough to associate with Archish IVF. This is our 4th center in the city of Bangalore, and with the rich heritage of Care Diagnostics, which is one of the pioneer diagnostic centers in Electronic City, we are very, very happy to spread the techniques as well as the science of fertility to Electronic City. And as previously also communicated, it's been 4 years since we are present in the city of Bangalore, and we are spreading our wings, going from suburb to suburb to ensure the best fertility care is available in your nearest neighborhood. So please reach out to us, and I'm sure there will be an Archish IVF clinic very close to you. Please come out and get yourself assessed for any gynecology or fertility assessment, both for males as well as say women. So thank you very much, and we look forward to servicing any and every one of you in our endeavor to provide the best fertility service in Bangalore. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Rashina. I'm the co-founder. Hello everyone, I'm Rashina. I'm the co-founder and scientific director at Archish Fertility and IVF. Firstly, I'm very happy to share that now Archish is across 5 locations in Bangalore, starting from Old Airport Road, Sahakar Nagar, HSR, Electronic City, and very soon in Whitefield. It has been a very pleasant journey of the last 4 years in Bangalore, and we've been very well received here, catering to couples across all geographies, all age groups, all walk of life. Apart from this, I would like to highlight a very important issue today, that is about our biological clock. So we all know that how much ever we are in denial, our biological clock is very much real, especially for women. And at Archish, we are trying to spread awareness about testing early. So by that, what I mean is that not many people know, but you can actually know the number of eggs available in your body. And yes, these number of eggs do diminish. They do die out eventually, right? So we want to spread awareness about this very critical aspect, that how every year we get an annual checkup where we check our sugars, CBC, thyroid and all of these. I would urge all of you to add your fertility test in that annual checkup. This will tell young women how many eggs are there in their ovaries, and they can take a decision accordingly. So by this, I'm nowhere trying to scare any of you and say that, find a partner if you haven't, or start having a child if you're not ready emotionally or financially. But I'm just trying to tell you to have children on your own timeline. So by that, I urge a lot of young women that as soon as they turn 28 to get their annual fertility checked. Based on that, if the fertility is low, they can go in for fertility preservation methods like egg freezing. If your fertility is optimum, please continue with your life goals and get your fertility checked annually. So basically the idea is that sooner than later and not when you're wanting to conceive and you're not able to conceive. So for women whose AMH is low and they haven't found a partner, or they are, career oriented, ambition, I'm very much up for it. I myself had a very ambitious career, or rather have an ambitious career. So you don't have to stop. You can opt for, now science has a way. There are a lot of techniques like egg freezing, wherein you can freeze your eggs. So egg sadly is the single most thing where the count is irreversible, the quality declines with age. These are things we know. Yes, you can control it to a certain extent by not drinking, smoking, lifestyle changes, vaping, drugs. We all know about that. But still, eggs or diminishing of eggs is something like graying of hair. You can't control it, right? And it may happen to you at 28. It might happen to your friend at 34. So please do not ape your friends or do not copy your friends. Get your individual fertility test, and we are more than happy to get that tested at Archish, your fertility score. Apart from that, once your eggs, if your eggs are diminishing, egg freezing is the single most way in which you can preserve your fertility. So if you do an egg freezing process at 30 and say you want to conceive and use them at 38, the beauty is that your eggs are still of a 30-year-old. So that enables you to not stress or fret when you are starting to grow older, because now you can take charge